is the question. A newly converted believers on a temple that was formerly used for idols worship. The building itself is worth millions of dollars. He offered the building to be used as a Christian church, as a missionary, as a pastor, as an apologist, as a theologian. What is your response? Some may say no, because the building or the temple is still recognizable an idol temple or as a idol temple, and unless the building changed totally or completely or fundamentally destroyed, it cannot be used. And also God is repeatedly warned or commanded Israel to destroy the places or the idol temples rather than adopt the idol temple for the God's people. We can see from Deuteronomy chapter 12 verse 2 and 3. So therefore, the idol temple should not use as a worship place or for the church. There is an idea. Yes, can use. Logically, when we think nicely, that temple was built by wood or maybe by stone, iron, steel, and also it was just a handmade only. We have to know that true worship has to come from heart, not from the building, not from the structure, not from the temple. And also when we do contextualize, yes, it is possible. Let's say the believers have limited resources, and also the land and also those things are very cost. So instead of buying new plot, we can just reuse for His glory, for God's glory. And also biblically, idols are nothing. We can see from 1 Corinthians chapter 8 verse 4. And also God can redeem what was formerly used for evil. We can see from 2 Chronicles chapter 34 verses 3 to 7. God can still redeem. And also we know that all things belongs to God. We can see from Psalm 24 verse 1. So now here you have already answered. As for me, yes, renovate and use it. Our body was the devil temple once before the Holy Spirit moved into us. But at our new birth, we became the temple of God. There is Emmanuel. Thank you so much. May God bless you all.